Hello, good morning. Today I'm with my little girl, with Bonnie, and we are going to have some long walk. We are going to some very beautiful water system by tram, and let's go. This is our tram. Let's go, let's go. And we are here. Our tram. My dog. She's a little bit in stress still. And there is a water system. Soon you will see. Пошли, пошли. She's happy now. And finally we can see the water. And there is waterfall. Эй, малышка, 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 зайчишка. Birds and people resting. Nice Sunday with sunshine, and there is waterfall. I will show you closer very soon. Пошли. Very nice. I love water. A lot of stairs. Yeah? Lucia Maya. Higher and higher and higher, and we are here. Ooh, nice view. Ну, пошли. Ты хочешь пить? She wants to drink. I will give her now some water. I take it with me to my rucksack, to my backpack. Да, сейчас. Бонни, пей водичку. She's not thirsty. Yeah? Буся моя. Not too thirsty. She just drink a little bit, and that's all. Pleasure. Water wall. So powerful. And so noisy. Woo. Хорошо, пошли. Хорошо. Пошли. Going up. This path leading to the water, and we will go there closer. Perfect day today. Not too hot, not too cold. Sunshine, not any gray sky. So wonderful. Just beautiful place. And of course I'm enjoying to be here. It's wonderful. I love such places where the leaves are so close to the earth. It's so nice, so cozy, and like in a fairy tale a little bit. Couple of dogs, a bridge. Today we are really lucky. Not so much people, everything for us. So nice. Woo! We are VIP guests. Тише, тише, не заматывай меня. Here are 3 of such waterfalls, like stone flower, I don't know, or whatever thought this creator. But anyway, it's very nice and unusual, and people like to be here, to play here with children. Да, малышок? Пошли вперед. Хорошо. Ты молодец. Ты молодец. Пошли. Молодец. Хорошо. Good girl. She wants to take somehow some dogs, but she cannot. She's enjoying. Валяйся, валяйся. Давай, валяйся. Фу, дам по попе. It is like half of an island, very little, and we're going to the end of this half of island. Пошли, малыш. Water here and water there, and almost everywhere. Бонни, а-та-та. Фу, пошли. О. Ну что, пошли сюда. Вау, как красиво. Вау. Красота, красота. Красота. Иди вниз. Go down. Иди вниз. Иди, иди сюда. Иди, давай, давай, давай. Не бойся. Хорошо, молодец. Хорошо. Хорошо, красотка моя, хорошо. Молодец. Ты молодец. Хорошо. Хорошо. Ты молодец. Ты моя красотка. Хорошо. Бонни. Дам по попе. And we're back to the bridge. And we'll go there. To this side. And we were there a few minutes ago. You can see the stones. Пошли, пошли, ленивка моя. Пошли. Бонни, не лезь, упадешь. Бонни, нельзя. Нельзя. Утки это хорошо, но нельзя. Пошли. Хорошо. Пошли. One more nice bridge. Very cute. Here is also very beautiful. It's autumn. We were here and I also recorded video and sent to my friend, and I really enjoy these views. Что, пошли, котик? Well, we had a long walk and probably it's time to go home, to back home. Yes, we will go to some trolley station and we'll wait. And now we are at bus station. I'm sitting and we are waiting for bus 91, number 91. My girl, we need 7 minutes more and bus will come.